This is going to be a product review of the Dream Plush. 2 queen pillows, memory foam pillows, cool to the touch cover. Anybody that's had a foam mattress, a foam pillow, you know a lot of these things get really warm, and that's just how it is. Picked this up at Costco. This product contains certified foam that is made without, I almost missed the without ozone depleters, mercury, lead, or whatever that is, regulated by the Consumer Protection Agency. 5-year warranty, that's wonderful. Care, do not spot clean or get the foam wet. Do not attempt to machine wash or machine dry. So let's turn this over. I picked this thing up at Costco. Pressure relief, cool to the touch cover, removable and washable cover, plush memory foam. Expands to queen size. I didn't know that. There are 2 of these in the box. We're going to take them out. This thing wasn't that expensive. I think I bought 2 pillows for around $15 or so. If I can find an affiliate link to put in the video description for this company, I will. If I can't, I'll do my best. Either way, if you can find something like this, if it fits, if you want it, go buy it. I do not use pillows. I use towels. I fold towels up. I do not have much of a curve in my neck. I twist my neck every night. I tweak it out with the towels. I just have a very hard time, but I can't use a pillow. All pillows, a standard pillow is too thick for me. I was in the store, I looked at these and I went, you know, maybe for the price, maybe this is going to help me. I really need some pillows. I can't keep using the towels. It's just not good on my neck. So there it is. Can you believe that? There are 2 queen-size pillows in here. I have no idea how this is possible. A lot of times I do a video review and I look at something and I say, this is just not for me, and I take it right back. This, it's not that expensive. I need a pillow. I haven't had a pillow in years, and I need a pillow. So this was the thinnest pillow they had at Costco. There's no way I'm going to be able to pull these out. I have to tear the bag. This was the thinnest pillow they had at Costco. Somebody had the package torn open, and I thought, you know, just do it. You got to have a pillow in the house. So we're going to test this out, see what I think. We get a little, this is really not an unboxing. This is called an untearing. Yes, that's what it is. And we'll get this thing opened. I know I could speed up the video, but why do that? Who's got time? So we're going to take off the plastic cover. Is this going to expand on its own? Are you supposed to leave it? I have no idea. It's, you know, it's kind of heavy. There's something to this. So the instructions talk about you might have to move it around a little bit to break the air pockets so that the pillow can expand. It's already expanding as far as I'm concerned. I don't want a really thick pillow, as I said, but there's about 6 pages on the warranty, what it covers, what it doesn't. For this price, as I said, I'm not really worried about returning this or the warranty. I'm going to check this out in a minute. So it's expanding. It was folded up in the box. This is the same as when you purchase a mattress, a foam mattress on the internet, and it's delivered in a tiny little box, and over time it starts to expand. So over here you can see we're kind of thicker over here, thinner in the middle, and again, for me, that is good. So I'm going to do this. They say you might notice a little scent. I don't notice any foam scent at all, but it says if you do, just fold it out, leave it for a couple days, let the air get to it. Here's the zippered cover. Now, I really don't want to take you to my bed so I can test this out and show you on a video camera, but we're already expanding. This one's almost fully expanded, and this one is starting to expand in the middle. So let me test it out, and I'll give you my honest opinion on what do I think about this pillow. I'll be honest with you, every single pillow that I've ever bought in a store or at Costco, I have returned. Every one of them, or I've thrown them away. I just used this on the bed, and I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to go to Costco and buy another box of this. I don't really need 4 of these, but Costco doesn't always carry things forever. I got on my side, and as I said, I use a towel. I always sleep with a towel folded up or bundled up underneath the side of my head if I'm a side sleeper. And the towel irritates my neck. My neck ends up getting, if I'm like this, I twist the head this way, and I twist it back, and I hyperextend it, and I hurt myself. I wake up in the morning, and it hurts. I put my head on the pillow, put my ear on the pillow, and this thing was perfect. I literally sank into the pillow, but the thing was, it didn't go so far down that it was flat, but it wasn't so high up like all the other pillows that my head is literally up like this, that my neck is twisted up. So I was very surprised. You can see it's still stretching out in the middle. So then I went to the back, and I put my head on the pillow because it's back sleeping, your head goes on the pillow, and I sank into the pillow. Again, the problem I have with most pillows, and a lot of people seem to like that, it's not good for you, but when you get on a tall pillow, your neck, your chin goes towards your chest. It's not good for your neck. Or you do what I do, you take a towel and you roll it up, and then your head goes backwards, also not good. So I put my head on the pillow, and it sank in just perfectly. I was able to put this all the way to my shoulders, which I can't do with a towel, and I sank in perfectly, and it felt wonderful. Okay, for people that have back problems, you know the body pillows, you buy those long body pillows that are like 4 or 5 feet long. You can put them between your legs, you put them up towards your neck, you put your arms around them. I have purchased many of those things, and then I throw them out. They're too big, they take up a ton of space, and they're just too thick, too bulky. So I tried this. I said, let's see what happens if I get on my side and I put this, I take my bottom leg and my top leg, and I just put this between the legs. Well, the thing is, this isn't that thick. So it gave me well, you can see again, it's starting to expand. Look at this. Look at this. Look. See what it does? Now the center's starting to expand. Okay, so what I did is I put this between my legs, and the tension in the back, the lower back, goes away. Because you shouldn't be sleeping, when you're on your side, you shouldn't be sleeping with if this is your hip, you shouldn't be sleeping with your legs like this. It puts a lot of pressure on your back. You should be sleeping with something between your legs so that you've got a space. So I put this between my legs, lengthwise, totally perfect. I was really impressed with that also. Then I wanted to see what happens with the back. Sometimes people want a thicker pillow, and what I did is I had this towards my shoulders, and this would be really hard to fold up. I mean, you can see it. This type of pillow is not meant to fold, but I bundled, so I had my head over here, and I bundled this up just a little bit and folded this into the crack of the neck, the curve of the neck that I don't have, and I went, oh my God, does this feel good. Absolutely incredible pillow. So I really didn't know what was going to happen. I never know what's going to happen when I buy something. Dream Plush, 2 queen pillows. Imaginarium, very clever name, Imaginarium Dream Plush. I'm going to be going down to Costco. I almost live there. Cover is made in China, foam is made in Mexico, and this is assembled in Mexico. All right. I think this is an awesome pillow. I never keep pillows. I don't have any pillows until this. I've got 2 pillows now. This is awesome. This is a great, really good product. I'm thrilled. And I'm going down there tomorrow, and I'm going to buy 2 more. Not 2 more boxes, 1 more box. 2 pillows, 2 queen-size pillows. Again, if I can find, now you can start to see it. Now we don't have that. It's not caved in the center like it was before. Now it's starting to expand. It's only been a short amount of time. If I can find an affiliate link, I'll put it in the video description. It will help me out if you purchase with that link. Make sure you watch my other videos. I've got lots of review videos, lots of cool stuff. And try to find this pillow. If you can't, try to find a thin pillow like this. This is the best pillow I have ever found. The other pillows, they are just way too thick and they hurt. This pillow is wonderful. Look at this. It is dog approved. Oh my gosh. Look at this. She loves it.